Today's Bible verse comes from Matthew chapter 16, verse 24, King James Version. Then said Jesus unto his disciples, If any man will come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. Matthew 16:24 explains the core of Christian discipleship. To follow Jesus, one must deny themselves, take up their cross, and follow him. This means prioritizing Jesus' will over one's own desires and accepting the challenges and the sacrifices that come with following him. It's a call to complete self-abandonment and a dedication to living for Christ. Here's a more detailed explanation. Number 1, deny himself. This means to disown personal goals and desires, putting aside selfish ambitions to align with God's will. It's a complete renunciation of self-centeredness. Number 2, take up his cross. This refers to accepting the difficulties, hardships, and even persecution that may come with the following Jesus. It's a willingness to endure suffering for his sake. Number 3, follow me. This emphasizes the need to actively pursue and emulate Jesus, submitting his guidance and living according to his teachings. It's a lifelong commitment to walking in his footsteps. In essence, Matthew 16:24 is a call to radical discipleship, demanding a complete reorientation of life around Jesus. It's not just about adding Jesus to one's life, but about following him to transform and direct it. Amen.